Hi, I'm Bobby Kircher with Papaya Search, and I wanted to talk about our experience with working with GoWP. We are primarily a search marketing agency, but we also provide website support for some of our clients, and that's where GoWP comes in. With GoWP, we have an email address that is support@papayasearch.com, and our clients who have the support program can easily email that email address and get in touch with the GoWP team. And it provides a seamless method for us to work with our clients in having a team that provides support, and it's great. It's important because sometimes our clients don't have a support team, and if they're going to run a search program, it's really important to have a team available to make updates or website updates and content updates and make sure that the website is running as best as it can, because all of that is important for SEO. So GoWP is an essential part of our team. We love them so much that we use them for our own website, papayasearch.com. So we're super, super grateful to work with such an awesome team. So I recommend you guys check them out. They are fantastic.